your press conferences are not on the work you have done. Whether it's the Mahila Samman Yojana, Pujari Granthi Yojana, the big announcements have taken place. You are also not fighting elections on the backdrop of the work you have done in 10 years. You have come up with mega gigs, you know. This is what you are going to get. Or this is what you are going to get.
I'll answer that. See, what the press conference is about the new welfare schemes we are giving, but the work we have done, we have formed government in Delhi 3 times for the work Aam Aadmi promised and delivered it. Otherwise, we would have not formed the government 3 times. Now, if I'm giving you numbers of mohalla clinics, of schools, of flyovers, of the security cameras, that is the work we have delivered it. And so in our manifesto, we have to mention what we are going to deliver in future. Now, I have a cabinet letter wherein on 12/12/2024, 1,000 rupees of Mahila Samman Yojana has been approved in the cabinet, and we have given 2,100 in our manifesto that we will give it once the election, we win the election. See, we need to understand, right now we are fighting with BJP, which has not been in Delhi for the last 27 years. And they have 7 member of parliament, but they do not have one single work they have done within Delhi. Their MP, their Pooh Sansad, Parvesh Verma, is distributing 1,100 rupees in a cash envelope and bribing the people of Delhi. Okay. So this shows how scared they are from Aam Aadmi Party. One last thing, I want to challenge the BJP spokesperson and the BJP party to challenge and to contest Delhi elections on merits and their credibility, because they have a government in 20 states. Do not misuse ED or CBI. Do not use cash, nor EVM and vote rigging. That's all.
इस चैलेंज में जो घमंड नजर आ रहा है ना, people will answer you for that. One thing I just want to answer.
No. Mr. Anand, you have to let Shikha speak. You know, I did not interrupt you. Let Shikha speak.
Yeah. If they were so very worried about the welfare of the people of Delhi, why didn't they introduce Ayushman Yojana? Even these pujaris would have benefited out of that scheme, to which they are now saying that we would give. What is it?
Shikha, please continue to speak. Mr. Anand, don't disturb her, please.
So I just, there is a scheme, you know, there is a guaranteed scheme under which all over India, many people have taken benefits out of it. Why didn't you introduce it? Why didn't you introduce Pradhan Mantri Punar Awas Yojana? Why was all these schemes, which were actually meant for the welfare of the people, why were they not introduced in Delhi? Is that a welfare state wherein the state says, oh, this is a center scheme, we don't want to, because Narendra Modi ji would take a credit out of it? That is why it was not being introduced. That was people of Delhi were bereft from all these benefits that they would have got from this scheme.